back with another video. So today it's gonna be a similar video from the last one I posted, but not really. It's gonna be a spa day in Miami Beach. So I'm gonna be having massages, a pool day, and some more things at Lovelies Spa. It is, as I said, located in Miami Beach, where the nice hotels are, the people that got money, where they be at. So that is what I have planned for today. Come along with me as we get our bodies relaxed, looking cute by the poolside, and getting treated with luxury.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, don't waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, you need, don't waste your time with me. It's all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time.
Alright guys, so change of plans. I couldn't end up going to the spa at Lovelies because the person that handled us on the phone told us very incorrect information, and when I went in there they were telling us a whole different ball game, and they didn't even have any massages available for today, and that's literally what I want, a massage and access to all the amenities. So unfortunately I couldn't go, but I did get another massage later on at 5:30. It is now 3:57 and our appointment is at 5:30, so we're just gonna go to the beach real quick, chill. As you can see, I'm in my beach attire, and yeah, go to the beach and then leave to go to our massage appointment. So I'm getting ready to get my massage. We are here. We kind of made it on time, like 2 minutes before, but we had to park and nobody was here to let us in. But I'm ready for my massage.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hey guys, so I just finished my massage. It was really good. This is one of the best massages that I've ever gotten. The lady that I had, she had really strong hands. I'm a deep tissue kind of girl because I'm always sore. So I told her deep tissue and she definitely delivered. Like, it was hard. When I tell you hard, I mean her hands. Never underestimate a woman's strength. I'll definitely come back. I'm gonna give them a review. I think that's it. And now we're about to get the car. That's in valet. Actually, Valet is pretty cheap here too. That's why I kind of like them, because they did a lot of things that massages never done to me. Like they massaged my chest and everything. Yeah, I got that. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I don't know what else to do next, but we'll see where the day takes us. It's like 6 o'clock now. We got there like a few minutes after 5, and we got done before 6 because they have another appointment, but it was nice. Valet. So I am back home into my humble abode, and I'm gonna go to sleep. So that concludes today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy my little spa day / beach day. Tune in for the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos with your friends. And I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.